The 2025 Honda HR-V RS hybrid electric vehicle. Very practical, spacious interior, your red linings all over the interior, khaki sand exterior, with vanity mirrors. It has a Honda Sensing feature on it. Got your rear view mirror, your cabin lights. It has a aftermarket dashcam. Swabing manakbo, no delay. Has a vanity mirror with lighting. Very responsive to accelerate. Got your dual zone climate control, sporty pedals, Type C Type A chargers. Got your 4-spoke steering wheel. Has a auto mode. Headlights, I think it's DRL. Got your wipers, your plus and minus manual modes, Chiptronic. Got your push start. Hybrid means gas and electric. Got your wireless charger, your 12 volts power outlet. Got your small storage, your hazard button, infotainment system, glove box, auto hold, electronic parking brake, your drive modes, which is normal, EV, and gas, and your hill descent control, cup holders, center console. There's a lot of stuff in there. Got your RS. Very sporty styling on it. Got your power controls, your power locks, door locks, retractable side mirrors, etc. Got your speakers, your cup holders, your small storage. Got your trunk, fuel cap release, and your hood release. Got your steering wheel adjustment. Not sure, it's both telescopic. Got your trunk release right there. Rear parking sensors, traction control. Your Honda Sensing feature on it. Lane departure, your brightness, and your gauge cluster. It's kinda unique and neat design. Love the interior of this one. Great stitch. Here's the back. Got your cup holders. Maybe 3 passengers will do. May fit. Black interior. Swak na swak. Very compact crossover. On the HR-V right here. Ba talaga si Honda tol? Power of dreams. Got your SRS airbags. Start up. Got your tachometer. Again, this is a hybrid. Dual zone climate control. radio, USB, Bluetooth, phone, audio, settings, and their screen right there. Turn that off. Wow. Turn this off. Check out the rest of the vehicle. Check out the exterior. Other seat controls, power adjustment, height, and your lumbar support. Got your khaki sand brown exterior, HRV RS. Love it. Very compact crossover on it. Tulin tumakbo. Responsive. Honda, the power of dreams. Got your heartbeat.